Hello everybody, this is Jesse and Lisa with Lazy Days Ahead. Hey, she's always photobombing. Anyway, today we're going to show you something about how to make mango jam. In other words, going from this to this. And you ain't gonna believe it. It's awesome. That's right. It don't get no better than this, folks. So without further ado, we're going to start the process right now.
Hey, welcome back. I am cutting the mangoes. Yes, cutting the mangoes.
Yes, folks.
Cut them into small.
These are mangoes. They're not apples. They're not pears.
I was going to say pineapple.
They're not even oranges. They're mangoes.
So we're going to try this new thing we got.
Uh-oh. Something new?
So you're supposed to cut them. You peel them, of course. Cut it flat.
Oh, we make a little
So
base.
it sits, and then you angle it over. And it's supposed to go
Oh,
right.
it's like cutting a pineapple.
Yeah, almost. This is smooshing it down though.
Okay.
It's a little fibrous, so not sure why. Anyway, so then you just want to get this part off. Get off as much of the
Meat.
fruity meat that you can. I'm not gonna. This makes it real fibrous in the jam, so I'm not going to include that.
Oh, so you're just looking for the good meat, kind of like in watermelon. You want the
I
the
mean,
heart of the watermelon.
You can do some of it, but
Yeah.
I wouldn't do much.
You're gonna put it to the blender.
No, I'm going to after I get it in here, then I'm going to crush it,
Okay.
smash it anyway, smash it to however consistency I want, because it will still cook down some
Okay.
once you cook it. And so you get 4 cups of smashed or crushed fruit.
I got you.
So once I get that all done and I get 4 cups, we will bring you back. Like that. And this is 4 cups. This is 2 cups. I've got 2 cups already
Okay.
in there. So
Oh, okay. So you got 4
now
cups.
I got 4 cups of crushed mango.
Pure day mango.
And
Check that out, folks. Wow. Looks like a mountain of mustard.
yeah, I guess so.
It smells sweet though.
Okay, so, and then I've got a half a cup of lemon juice.
Okay.
Add that in.
Half a cup of lemon juice, folks.
Yep. I'm using Pomonas Pectin. So it is 1 teaspoon per cup of fruit. And
That's
I
1
have-
teaspoon for every cup of fruit.
Yeah. And so I mixed it in with
A little bit of sugar.
a little bit of sugar.
Okay.
And I'm going to turn the heat on first, because they tell you they want you to mix it with the sugar so it does not clump.
Oh, okay. So there's a method to your madness.
Right. So I'm going to put the calcium water in first.
All right. So what are we putting calcium in water? I mean, what are we putting calcium
water goes with the Pomonas Pectin.
Oh, okay.
So it works
So
together.
it's a combination.
Yes. So it's, what is it, 1 teaspoon per cup. So this is a half a teaspoon. So, there's 50. 1. There's 2 teaspoons. 250. 3. 350. 4. That's how I always do my counting.
Okay. Then now, so you got the water in there.
Yes.
Okay.
So then I'm gonna.
You need a spatula or anything?
Yeah, it's there on the counter. So I'm putting in the pectin along with a little bit of the sugar.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna stir it. I'm gonna bring it up to a boil. And then once it's at a boil, then I will add the 4 cups of sugar in. minus like a half a cup, so it's like 3.5 cups.
Okay.
So the chunks will cook down. So I just got to bring it to a boil, and then we'll go from there. Okay, we're at a rolling boil, and now I got to add the sugar.
So it took about 2-3 minutes for it to get to a rolling boil, and now she's adding in.
It's total 4 cups of sugar.
4 cups of sugar.
Half of that, 1/2 cup of that amount of sugar was mixed in with the pectin.
The pectin, okay.
So then I have to bring it back to a rolling boil, and then we will boil it for 3 minutes, a hard boil, and then it will be ready to jar up.
Yeah, all that sugar will burn off after we throw in all the alcohol we're fixing to put in there too. I'm just joking. No alcohol.
Rum? Brandy? Beer?
No. All right, folks. Looky here, looky here, looky here.
Back.
Look at that mango.
Our time is done. Time to jar it up.
Now, I know we mentioned this in a previous video, but if you look at this pot, it's got what they call a solid bottom or heavy bottom, and it's made that way, I guess, to help prevent whatever you're cooking from burning. So whenever you buy a pot, make sure it has that thicker bottom. It definitely helps. At least it's been warming her jars.
Thicker bottom, right?
At least it says thicker bottom like her.
Yep, that's the best kind.
Yeah, right. All right, now are we only doing 4-ounce jars today?
No, I have both.
Oh, okay.
I have both in there, but
All right, now she's fixing to jar it up, folks. Here it comes. She's gonna have to get it 1/4 inch from the top of that rim. Okay, here it goes. Yum! Look at that goodness. Is that pretty? It's kind of dark right now. I think it's gonna lighten up after it cools down.
well, maybe. I don't know.
It looks kind of, well, I mean, bright yellow.
Some of the, you can see some of the fibers are in there, but
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't take away from the flavor.
Yeah. Well, because, I mean, mango is kind of fibrous, but it is good. Yes, ma'am. All right. Now she's just going to top them off.
1/4 inch. Oh, that's sticky. Sticky, gooey stuff. Sugary, sticky stuff. Dollar.
Yeah, see it? That pectin's already starting to set.
Oh yeah. Okay, now quarter of an inch is pretty well right there. That one can lose a little bit more.
That one could use a little bit more.
Actually both of them. Get it.
Here you go. Will you help pull it out of this spoon? She's trying to top it off to where it gets about 1/4 inch from the top.
Oh, I had to do it. I had to do it. I think that's probably.
All right, folks, she's got 3 of the, I don't know how many she's going to end up with, but we'll bring you back when they're all ready to get put back in the water. All right, folks, here we go. Lisa's putting in the last jar into the water bath. Okay.
All right, these will be processed.
Oh, you got the
Yeah, I got the fire on.
Okay.
Gotta bring it to a rolling boil.
It's on too, Bubba. Look at that. Mm-hmm.
And then once it's to a rolling boil, I will process it for 10 minutes.
Alrighty. All right, folks, here we go.
All right.
They've already...
Water bath for 10.
Okay.
And rest for 5.
All right, folks, here's the good times right here. Here's where it starts getting real good. So she's gonna pull them out of the hot water there. Steam bath. And you don't tip them. You just leave them straight up and down, and the water will definitely evaporate. Look at that steam coming off of that. Mm-hmm. Wow. All right, let's see if we can hear them pop. Which one's gonna pop first? Which one is it?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Come on, ball. Come on, ball.
Yeah, I didn't use the 4 jars today. I used the lids that came with these jars.
Waste not, want not.
Okay, it's the last one. No pops yet.
All right, folks. Look how beautiful that stuff is. Mm-hmm. Come on.
They will eventually.
Anybody want to pop? Anybody want to pop? There you go. There
The
was
last one.
Anybody else? Can I get 2 pop?
This one. I think this one.
Come on. Hey, there you went. You hear it? Music to our ears. Here goes this one. Pop. Come on, pop, pop. You can pop. You can do it. You can do it.
Hard to tell. I mean,
Somebody would pop. Or maybe one was...
this one. Oh, it did.
Oh, it popped? Okay.
It was really
Oh, it didn't have no water on it. That's why.
soft. It's kind of. This one looks like it's gonna go, but
I don't know. She'll take it a sweet time. Come on, jars, pop. Think we got all day? You two ain't got time to be waiting on you. Y'all need to hurry up and pop. Come on. Come
as soon
on.
as you stop, you know they're gonna seal. Anyway, we let them rest for 12 to 24 hours, and then we'll check the seals tomorrow. Make sure it's sealed. Wash them. Label them.
Looking good. Now what time is it?
It's mango time.
Time to clean up.
Oh,
there you go.
See, I told
yep.
you.
Yep, see,
As
there you
soon
go.
as-
Which one was it?
This one.
Ah.
As soon as you stopped and turned away, they're gonna. Yeah,
Okay.
cleanup time, but no, I got enough to do some more. So.
Okay. But we
Make
just
it
wanted to show you the little process for making mango jam. There it is, folks. Okay, folks, as you can see, Lisa's got the operation going right here. Look at this. She was canning some, but you don't know what flavor that is. I bet you don't. Maybe I'll give you a hint. What? Does that look like watermelon in there? Mm-hmm. Just giving you a hint. She's got quite the operation going on right now. Uh-oh, you hear it? There's her alarm. All right, now here's the one we did yesterday, and we're done. All the mango jam she made come out amazing. Look at that. I got enough mango jam to last me till rapture. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Yes, sirree, Bob. Now all we got to do is try it. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Look, she had what was left over that we stuck in a jar. We're going to try that right now. Okay, guys, here you go. She's putting that mango jelly, or jam, I'm sorry. She's put that mango jam on a piece of toast, and let me tell you what. It looks amazing, smells amazing. It's probably going to taste amazing. So we're fixing to try it right now. All right, folks, here we go. And this is by request. My wife's a little cockeyed there.
Yeah, sorry.
This is by request. So the Vineyard Chicks had challenged us, or not challenged, asked if we would show you how to make this mango jelly. But
Jam.
mango jam. There we go again. So Lisa showed you how to make the mango jam. I'm going to show you how to eat it. Don't get no better than this, folks. I may have to keep her for another 30 years, at least.
I know. We're having a hard time losing weight.
That's how you eat mango jam on toast. Excuse me for talking my mouth full. But you won't go wrong if you go get you some mangoes and do just what Lisa did and put them in a little bitty jar. You'll have some sweetness for the rest of your life. Right there, Bubba. Thank you, Vineyard Chicks and Mama. So next time, until next time, we'll see you, Jesse and Lisa, from Lazy Days Ahead. Love you guys. Bye. And remember this, I may not always be right, but I'm never wrong.
Whatever.
Hey.